Number 34, we want to just use elimination method, and looking at these, it looks like the z's will be the easiest to eliminate. So I'm going to choose the z's and eliminate it twice. So I'm going to choose these two first, and I can see I have a minus 3z, so I need a positive 3z here. So I'll multiply that bottom one by 3. So rewriting this, and the bottom one I'm going to multiply everything by 3. And now when we put these together, I have 7x minus 13y. The z's cancel out like I wanted, and I get equals 45. And I'll save this for later, call it equation 1. Do the same thing, but this time with the bottom two, looks like maybe. I can eliminate my z's again, that's what we need. And if I have a positive 2 here, I need a negative 2 here. So multiplying that out, I get negative 8x plus 6y minus 2z is equal to negative 20. And then if I recopy, I see that my z's cancel out again. And here I get negative 11x plus y is equal to 7. So now I'm going to put equation 1 and 2 together and eliminate another variable until it's down to 1. It looks like the easiest variable to eliminate will be the y's, because I can just multiply this by 13 to get an opposite of negative 13. So putting those two together, I'm going to multiply this one by 13. So I get 7x minus 13y is equal to 45. That one stays the same. This one I'm multiplying everything by 13. So I get negative 143 plus 13y. So good, these cancel out like I wanted. And if I multiply 13 times 7, that's 91. And now adding straight down, I get negative 136 is equal to 136. And so the z x is equal to negative 1. So there's only one answer here that has x is negative 1, that's B. But just to make sure, we're going to actually plug it in just to show how we can get the y and how we get the z. So to get the y, I just go back to either equation 1 or 2, plug in my x, and solve for y. So this one looks like it's easier. So if I plug in negative 1 for x, I get 11 plus y is equal to 7. So y is equal to negative 4. So far I have y, and I have x, so even better, it must be correct. Now if I plug into any original problem, I can find z. So I'm going to choose the middle one. Looks like nice and easy to solve for z. So choosing that one, I'll do a different color here. If I plug in there, we'll get 4 times x, which is negative 1, minus 3 times y, which is negative 4, plus z, and this should be equal to 10. And so solving for z, I get, let's simplify this plus 12 plus z is equal to 10. Putting that together, that's 8 plus z is equal to 10. Do I get 2? Yes, I do. So now I see I have negative 1, negative 4, 2, which is negative 1, negative 4, 2. And so B is my answer.